Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and today I'm here to share my last fall project of the year. I'm going to be using Fall Love from the Not Too Shabby Shop along with the ephemera. Some things I made recently with this include this little notebook and this fall recipe book. I also use the new alphabet sets, which I love. I believe all of these things are still available at the Not Too Shabby Shop. You can click the link in the description box. And I also made that gratitude journal. I've got some videos on my channel for those. And so today we're going to be making some cards. I really love the alphabet. Great size. And that ephemera. Just super, super cute. So we're going to be making 3 cards. 2 cards are going to be using the same layout. I am going to be using this fall stamp set also from the Not Too Shabby Shop just for the sentiments. I didn't get a chance to use this, but I definitely think I can use that little bear with the umbrella for spring probably, or winter. I don't know. It's cute. So yeah, like I said, 2 of the cards I'm going to be doing the same layout, and then the 3rd card I'm going to be kind of using scraps from those 2 cards to make a 3rd card. So these are A2 size cards. Getting all the pieces together. And I'm also using my Barely Arts glue. So you see I've got cute A2 size paper for my mat. Gluing that. And this layout gives you a lot of ways to really show off the paper. And then I'm using a little bit of the strip that I cut off as a little kind of border strip at the bottom. And then I used some oval dies that I just got recently. So I've got those 2 oval dies there that layer together. And I'll place that down, and then on my white oval piece I've gone ahead and stamped my sentiment, and I decided to stamp them with some colored ink. I'm using Concord & Ninth ink, but I think it gives it a nice little bit of extra something to use the colored ink. Usually I use black. So I've got that ephemera piece right there at the bottom, and that card is done. Now on to the second one. This card has the same exact layout except a different color profile. And I'm going to go ahead and place this down. This is just a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of that pattern paper. And I also have my little strip there, which is the little strip that you cut off. I think it's the 1/2 inch because it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. So that is the 1/2 inch piece that is going to fit right there. And again, I also have that oval piece. And again, I used some colored ink that I thought matched really well with my sentiment. And then I've got my ephemera pieces here. I'm going to be doing 2 ephemera pieces. I've got this one that is kind of a larger piece. It's going to go kind of along the bottom. And that's on foam. And then I have that cute little girlish. I'm just going to tuck her right there on the side, and card number 2 is done. The ephemera helps you make really quick cards too. So now I'm on to my 3rd one, and so my 3rd card, these are actually the 2 pieces that I cut off of the other. So you know it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. So that 1/2 inch piece went onto the front of each card, and then what you were left with was a piece that's 1 3/4. So I cut those down to 1 3/4 by 5 1/2, and those are going to go onto the front of the card. And then I cut one other piece to kind of fill in that blank. I think that other piece is, I want to say it's 1/2 inch, and that's going to go right there in the middle. And so I really was left with very little scrap, so I think it's a great project for that. And then I went ahead and I did another oval piece, and then I stamped my sentiment right there on the side, because I had that kind of narrow sentiment that really worked well. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that down. And then I have my cute girl with her little umbrella. And she's on foam. And then I've got these two little sort of feathery pieces that also come in that ephemera, also on foam, that are going to kind of tuck them in and kind of frame them around that oval. And there you go, my 3 cards are finished. Hope you guys get a chance to do some crafting today. If you're interested in any of these products, be sure to visit the Not Too Shabby Shop.